Hello friends, welcome to Safar IAS. We are solving today Residential Coaching Academy paper 2022 by Hajj House Mumbai. This paper contains 50 questions and the time allowed was 1 hour. And negative marking is 1 by 3 of the marks allotted. So without any delay, let's start. Question 1. Consider the following statements with respect to Global Environment Facility. Statement 1. It was established on the eve of 1992 Rio Earth Summit. This is correct. GEF funds are available to developing countries and countries with economies in transition to meet the objectives of international environmental conventions and agreements. This is also correct. C will be correct option here. Question 2. Consider the following statements regarding Global Commission on Adaptation. Statement 1. India is one of the 17 convening members of the Commission. Global Commission on Adaptation was launched in 2018 in Hague by UN General Secretary Ban Ki-moon. I think there were 22 convening members, so statement 1 will be incorrect. The Commission launched with mandate to accelerate the adaptation by elevating the political visibility of adaptation and focusing on concrete solutions. So statement 2 is correct. Option B should be correct. Question 3. Reservoirs that retain carbon and keep it from entering Earth's atmosphere are known as carbon sink. This is correct. Carbon sequestration, the long-term storage of carbon in plants, soils, geologic formations and the oceans. This is also correct. Option C will be correct here. Question 4. Which one of the following organism is likely to show the highest concentration of DDT once it has been introduced into ecosystem? C. Snake will be correct here. And you will read biomagnification, the concentration of toxic element like DDT or pesticide keep increasing in successive level of food chain. It means that primary organism will have the minimum concentration of these toxic elements, and because snake belong to higher trophic level than grasshopper, toad and cattle, so snake will be correct option here. Question 5. Which one of the following is correct sequence of ecosystem in the order of decreasing productivity? So सबसे पहले सबसे ज़्यादा productive ecosystem आएगा. As you can see in the option, ocean have lowest productivity. So ocean should be in the last and mangrove has the highest. So option C will be correct here. छठे क्वेश्चन में आपको ये डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया गया है और नेशनल पार्क को आपको पहचानना है. द पार्क इज फ्लैंक्ड बाय द पटकाई हिल्स टू द साउथ and southeast and by Himalaya in the north. The entire area is mountainous and comprises the catchment of Noha Dihing River. This park is Nampada National Park. So option A will be correct here. Question 7. Which of the following are part of 12 initial persistent organic pollutants under Stockholm Convention? Persistent organic pollutants are set of toxic elements which persist in the environment for several years before breaking down. And these 12 POPs are also known as dirty 12, dirty dozen. Okay, heptachlor is there, DDT is also there, hexachlorobenzene is also there, polychlorinated biphenyls is also there. So all of them are there. Please comment other 8 POPs if you know. Okay, moving on to next question. Which of the following statements with respect to Earth Summit 1992 is incorrect? It concluded sustainable development to be an attainable goal for all. This is correct. It brought out an action plan for a sustainable future in the form of Agenda 21. This is also correct. UN Convention to combat desertification was also declared in this summit. So option C will be incorrect here. It resulted in preparation of a non-binding document called The Future We Want. This very famous document, The Future We Want, was published in Rio Plus 20. Okay, not in Earth Summit 1992. Question 9. Which of the following are the reasons for coral bleaching? Whitening of coral. This can happen due to decrease in the number of zooxanthellae and lack of photosynthetic pigment in zooxanthellae. So both of them are correct. Option C will be correct. Question 10. Consider the following statements with respect to dugongs. They are herbivorous marine mammals. This is correct. They are found in shallow coastal waters of Indian and Western Pacific Ocean. This is also correct. So both of them are correct. 11th, Adaptation Fund was set up under the Kyoto Protocol of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. World Bank serve as the trustees of Adaptation Fund on interim basis. This is also correct. Option 3. National Green Tribunal is national designated authority for Green Climate Fund in India. This is incorrect because Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change is the authority for GCF in India. So 3 is incorrect. Option A, 1 and 2 will be correct here. Question 12. With reference to general features of amendment procedure, consider the following statements. The state legislature cannot initiate any bill for amendment of the constitution. This is correct. Constitutional amendment bills are to be introduced only in Lok Sabha. This is incorrect because they can also be introduced in Rajya Sabha. Constitutional amendment bills are not like money bills which can be introduced only in Lok Sabha. So if you know that 2 is incorrect, then you can eliminate all these and reach at the correct option 1 only. Let us see 3 also. Constitutional amendment bills cannot be introduced as a private member bill. There is no such condition that CAB cannot be introduced by private member. Okay, moving on to next question. 13वां क्वेश्चन प्राइवेट मेंबर्स बिल से रिलेटेड है. स्टेटमेंट 1. Its introduction in the House requires 7 days notice. No, private members bill introduction requires 1 month notice. Okay, so पहला गलत होगा तो बी और सी में से कुछ होगा और दूसरा जरूर करेक्ट होगा क्योंकि दूसरा दोनों में ही है. Statement 3. The absolute veto of Indian President is applicable to a private member's bill passed by the Parliament. This is also correct. Option B, 2 and 3 only will be correct here. Question 14th. Which of the following bills does not lapse upon the dissolution of Lok Sabha? Bills passed by both houses but pending assent of the President. This is correct. Bill passed by Lok Sabha but pending in Rajya Sabha. यहाँ पे लोक सभा जब डिसॉल्व हो जाएगा so bills passed by Lok Sabha must lapse. So 2 will not be there. If you remove 2 from here, you will reach at the correct option 1 and 3 only. Question 15th. Which of the following were suggestions made by Swaran Singh Committee to be included as fundamental duties? स्वरण सिंह कमेटी ने 8 फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज रिकमेंड किया था, ठीक है, जिसमें से 3 फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज को एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया गया था. And these 3 were duty to pay taxes was not made a fundamental duty. And the second one, penalty for non-compliance of fundamental duty, तो वो भी एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया गया था. और तीसरा था such penalties should not be questioned in the court. इसको भी नहीं माना गया था. Duty to pay taxes 1 only will be correct here. Which of the following statements about duties of Prime Minister is correct? Option A. Prime Minister is free to choose his minister only from among the member of either House of Parliament. This is incorrect. Any citizen of India can be selected, but he has to be the member of parliament within 6 months. Option B. Prime Minister can choose his cabinet after consulting the President of India. No such condition is there, so B will be also incorrect. Prime Minister has full discretion in choice of persons who are to serve as minister in his cabinet. This is correct. 16 का C हो जाएगा. क्वेश्चन 17 में आर्टिकल 224A ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के बारे में पूछा गया है. आर्टिकल 224A says चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ ए हाई कोर्ट, चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ ए हाई कोर्ट कैन अपॉइंट a person who has been earlier judge of any high court with prior consent of president. So option B will be correct here. Question number 18th. Which of the following conditions are necessary for recognition of a political party as a national party? So if a political party is recognized as a state party in 4 states, and if a political party wins 2% of the seats in Lok Sabha at general election and winning candidate of the party are elected from 3 different states, 2 will also be there. So 1 and 2 only will be correct here. Option B will be correct here. क्वेश्चन 19वें में स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर से रिलेटेड पूछा गया है. Statement 1. The maximum and minimum strength for state legislative assemblies is fixed at 560 respectively. This is correct. A deadlock between 2 houses of state legislature over the passage of a bill is resolved through mechanism of joint sitting. This is incorrect. अगर ये पार्लियामेंट से रिलेटेड रहता तो ये करेक्ट होता, लेकिन स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर में ऐसा कोई प्रोविजन है नहीं। 2 विल बी इनकरेक्ट एंड यू विल रीच एट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन 1 एंड 3 ओनली। इस बार देखते हैं। कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स अबाउट ऑर्डिनेंस मेकिंग पावर ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट। An ordinance can be promulgated even when only one house of the parliament is in session. This is correct. An ordinance not approved by parliament ceases to operate after 6 weeks from the reassembly of parliament. Both of them are correct. Option C will be correct here. Question 21st. Consider the following statements with respect to 73rd Amendment Act. Statement 1. Members of Panchayat at village and intermediate level are elected directly by people while those at district level are indirectly elected. Statement 1 is incorrect because there are 3 levels in Panchayati Raj institution and at all level members are elected directly. So 1 becomes incorrect and you reach at the correct option 2 and 3 only. फिर भी स्टेटमेंट 2 और 3 को देखते हैं। चेयरपर्सन्स ऑफ पंचायत हैव राइट टू वोट इन द मीटिंग्स ऑफ पंचायत। दिस इज करेक्ट। The act has put the subject of non-conventional energy sources under the purview of Panchayat. This is also correct. 11th schedule of Indian Constitution has 29 items under the purview of Panchayat. Question number 22. Consider the following statements regarding Article 352. Article 352 is related to national emergency. Statement 1. The President needs parliamentary approval for the revocation of proclamation of emergency. This is incorrect. At the time of revocation, Parliament approval is not required. Statement 2. The legislative power of state legislature is suspended during national emergency. This is not correct. क्योंकि नेशनल इमरजेंसी की बात हो रही है, स्टेट इमरजेंसी रहता तो सस्पेंड हो सकता। 22वें का डी हो जाएगा। क्वेश्चन 23वें में इंटर स्टेट काउंसिल से रिलेटेड नॉट करेक्ट पूछा गया है। स्टेटमेंट 1. इट्स ए परमानेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी। नो, ये परमानेंट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडी नहीं है। ऑल्दो सरकारिया कमीशन हैज रिकमेंडेड टू मेक इंटर स्टेट काउंसिल एज ए परमानेंट बॉडी, बट इट इज नॉट मेड परमानेंट टिल नाउ। 1 इज इनकरेक्ट। इनकरेक्ट ही पूछा गया है तो 1 विल बी देयर। स्टेटमेंट 2. इट इन्वेस्टिगेट सब्जेक्ट्स इन विच द स्टेट्स और द सेंटर एंड द स्टेट्स हैव ए कॉमन इंटरेस्ट। दिस इज करेक्ट। तो आंसर में 2 नहीं होना चाहिए, तो 2 यहाँ पे भी और यहाँ पे भी, इसको भी हटा देते हैं। 23वें का ए 1 एंड 3 ओनली आर नॉट करेक्ट। फिर भी हम स्टेटमेंट 3 को भी देख लेते हैं। रिकमेंडेशन ऑफ इंटर स्टेट काउंसिल आर बाइंडिंग ऑन गवर्नमेंट। नो, इट्स नॉट बाइंडिंग, इट्स ओनली एडवाइजरी इन नेचर। Question 24. With reference to Lewis, consider the following statements. Statement 1. It can be created by winds as well as movement by glaciers. This is correct. It is devoid of mineral deposits. No, it is mineral rich. Now it's all depend on statement 3. Loess are formed on far side of desert and have infertile agricultural soil. This is also incorrect because it is very fertile. Okay. 24वें का ए 1 ओनली हो जाएगा। 25th. कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट एयर फ्रंट्स। स्टेटमेंट 1. इफ वार्म एयर मास मूव्स टुवर्ड्स कोल्ड एयर मास, द कॉन्टैक्ट जोन टर्न्स इनटू ए कोल्ड फ्रंट। दिस इज इनकरेक्ट। लेट्स से वार्म एयर है और यहाँ पे कोल्ड एयर है। अगर वार्म एयर कोल्ड एयर की तरफ जाता है तो जो कॉन्टैक्ट जोन क्रिएट होता है उसको वार्म फ्रंट बोलते हैं। इसी तरह अगर कोल्ड एयर है और वो मूव करता है वार्म एयर की तरफ, फिर जो फ्रंट बनेगा उसको कोल्ड फ्रंट बोलेंगे। सो द नेमिंग डिपेंड ऑन द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट। ओके, सो 1 विल बी इनकरेक्ट। सी या डी में से कोई करेक्ट होगा। ऑक्लूडेड फ्रंट इज फॉर्म बाय एयर मास सिंकिंग टू लैंड सरफेस। नो, दिस इज इनकरेक्ट। सो 3D ओनली विल बी करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26 में अर्थक्वेक वेव से रिलेटेड आपको करेक्ट बताना है। Statement 1. P waves are similar to sound waves and creates troughs and crests in material through which they pass. Incorrect, because trough and crest are feature of S waves. ठीक है। Although P waves are similar to sound wave, but they don't create trough and crest. So 1 will be incorrect. The S wave can travel only through solid. इतना तो ठीक है, लेकिन इसके आगे का गलत है। creates density difference in the material through which they pass। ये क्या है? ये फीचर है पी वेव्स का। तो दोनों को इंटरचेंज कर दिया है, यानी दोनों ही गलत हो जाएंगे। क्वेश्चन 26वें का डी हो जाएगा, नाइदर वन नॉट टू। क्वेश्चन 27, विद रेफरेंस टू रिवर विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग विल मोस्ट लाइकली नॉट एग्जिस्ट इफ कोरियोलिस फोर्स वर टू बी एब्सेंट। अगर कोरियोलिस फोर्स नहीं होगा तो मोस्ट लाइकली मेंडर्स विल नॉट फॉर्म। तो 27 का सी हो गया। 28 में रिवर्स कॉन्फ्लुएंस लोकेशन को मैच करना है। तो स्टेटमेंट 1, धौली गंगा एंड अलकनंदा के कॉन्फ्लुएंस को विष्णु प्रयाग कहते हैं, दिस इज करेक्ट। स्टेटमेंट 2, अलकनंदा एंड भागीरथी के कॉन्फ्लुएंस को देव प्रयाग कहते हैं, दिस इज ऑल्सो करेक्ट। Now it's all depend on 3. The confluence of Alaknanda and Mandakini is known as Kedarnath. This is incorrect. It is called Rudraprayag. Rudraprayag. 28वें का A 1 and 2 only हो जाएगा। Question 29, statement 1. In floating exchange rate system, exchange rate is determined by market forces of demand and supply. This is correct. In dirty floating exchange rate system only, the government fixes the exchange rate at a particular level. This is incorrect because in dirty floating exchange rate system, government intervenes sometimes and sometimes the exchange rate is determined by the market forces also. So 2 is incorrect. ठीक है, 29वें का A 1 only will be correct here. आप मुझे dirty floating exchange rate system किस कंट्री में फॉलो होता है उसका एक एग्जाम्पल बताइए। Question 30, statement 1. Cash reserve ratio is percentage of deposits which a bank must keep as cash reserves with itself. Statement 1 is incorrect because CRR is kept with RBI or bank's vault. So 1 is incorrect. Statement 2, money multiplier in the economy is directly proportional to cash reserve ratio. देखो यहाँ डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है। इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल, जितना ही कैश रिजर्व रेशियो बढ़ाया जाएगा मनी मल्टीप्लायर उतना ही कम होगा। तो मनी मल्टीप्लायर इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू रिजर्व रेशियो। ठीक है, बोथ ऑफ देम आर इनकरेक्ट। तीसरे का डी हो जाएगा। 31, which one of the following statements appropriately describe the fiscal stimulus? Fiscal stimulus is an intense affirmative action of the government to boost economic activity in the country. 31वें का बी हो जाएगा। Question 32, पर्वतमाला program is related to ropeway development program in difficult hilly areas. तो 32वें का ए होगा। 33rd, which of the following is not पार्ट ऑफ करंट अकाउंट बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट? करंट अकाउंट बैलेंस में मेनली 4 पार्ट्स हैं। ट्रेड इन गुड्स इज देयर, ट्रेड इन सर्विसेज इज देयर, ट्रांसफर पेमेंट्स इज आल्सो देयर, और एक चौथा है नेट फैक्टर इनकम। तो नॉट करेक्ट पूछा गया है। 33वें का आंसर सी हो जाएगा। 34, statement 1, in general a rise in interest rate in a country often leads to depreciation of the domestic currency of that particular country. This is incorrect because in this case it appreciates. Okay. Statement 2, in general a country whose aggregate demand grows faster than the rest of the world normally find its currency appreciating. This is also incorrect because it is depreciating. Both of them are incorrect. 34वें का डी हो जाएगा, neither 1 nor 2. 35th, which of the following were regions for the balance of payment crisis in 1990s in India? Statement 1, the rise in global oil prices. This is correct. हुआ ये था अगस्त 1990 में इराक ने कुवैत पे इन्वेड कर दिया था। This led to start of Gulf War, and because these are the major oil producing region, the rate of oil prices skyrocketed. So statement 1 is correct. The decline of remittances to India. This is also correct. Gulf War की वजह से many of the Indian laborers who worked there returned to India, and this led to decline of remittances to India. Third is the lack of fiscal discipline. This is also correct. At that point of time, there was very high current account deficit and other fiscal indiscipline like subsidies and high expenditures. So 1, 2, 3 all of them are correct. 35वें का डी हो जाएगा। 36, which one of the following is not one of the dimensions for determining global multidimensional poverty index. तो MPI में हेल्थ है, एजुकेशन है और लिविंग ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड भी है. पर कैपिटा इनकम इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन MPI. 36 का आंसर सी हो जाएगा. MPI से रिलेटेड टर्म है डेवलपमेंट इंडेक्स. कमेंट में बताइए व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन MPI एंड HDI. 37th, with recently seen in news, FCRA and FEMA are regulated by Foreign Contribution Regulation Act is regulated by Ministry of Home Affairs and FEMA is regulated by Ministry of Finance. So 37 का A हो जाएगा. 38, which of the following statements is true about Cornwall Consensus? It is a consensus developed by G7 countries to make available 1 billion COVID-19 vaccines to developing and least developed countries. This is correct. आपको एक पॉइंट यहाँ समझने की जरूरत है. कॉर्नवाल कंसेंसस का मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव ये नहीं है. इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू सीक रिफॉर्म इन ग्लोबल इकोनॉमिक गवर्नेंस. ट्रू पूछा गया है, इन दोनों में से कोई एक होना चाहिए. Question 39. With reference to Government of India Act 1919, which of the following statements are correct? First, one of the main purpose of this act was to ensure Indians of their representation in the government. This is correct. According to this act, legislature had no power to pass any bill without the assent of viceroy. This is also correct. Franchise right of voting was also granted but only to a limited number of people. This is also correct. So all of them are correct. 39 का C हो जाएगा. Question 40. Statement 1. The civil disobedience movement commenced with Dandi March. This is correct. Salt Satyagraha led to widespread acceptance of CDM. This is also correct. Participation of women in the CDM was negligible. This is incorrect. Women's participation was very significant in CDM. So 3 is incorrect, and if you only know that statement 3 is incorrect, then you may reach at correct option A, 1 and 2 only. 41वें क्वेश्चन में डिस्क्रिप्शन दिया गया है, आपको बताना है द मोस्ट लाइकली डिस्क्रिप्शन ये किसका है. द रिबल्स फॉर्म अ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ देयर ओन, stop payments of revenue to existing government, levied insurrection charges to meet the expenses of rebellion. Both Hindus and Muslims fought side by side in the insurrection. तो ये डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑप्शन ए पीजेंट अपराइजिंग ऑफ रंगपुर बंगाल का है. पीजेंट अपराइजिंग ऑफ रंगपुर बंगाल के लीडर थे दर्जीन नारायण. 42nd, with reference to Buddhist council. First, during the first Buddhist council, Vinay Pitaka was recited by Ananda and Sutta Pitaka by Upali. This is incorrect because Upali recited Vinay Pitaka and Ananda recited Sutta Pitaka. One is incorrect. B या C में से कोई correct होगा. The chairman of second Buddhist council was Sabakami. This is correct. तो 42वें का B2 only हो जाएगा. 43rd, the Kailasnath temple at Ellora is being considered the greatest achievement in the architecture of Rashtrakuta King Krishna. 44th, consider the following statements about Vesara School of Architecture. Statement 1, it combined the elements of both Nagara and Dravidian school. This is correct. 2 दोनों में ही है तो 2 must be correct. Now it depends on third. The Dravid feature of Viman and Mandapa can also be noticed. This is also correct. 44 का D हो जाएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45 में असेंबली और उनके फीचर्स को मैच करना है. आपने चोला एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन पढ़ा होगा. चोला एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के अंदर 3 टाइप्स ऑफ विलेजेस हैं. पहला है उर, दूसरा है सभा एंड तीसरा है नगरम. Here every class of people who own land were the part of Ur. Nagaram was an organization of merchant. So 2 is correct. And Sabha was village assembly exclusive of Brahmins. Now Sabha was an assembly of Brahmins only. So 1 will be incorrect. So option B, 2 and 3 will be correct here. Question number 46. The spaghetti bowl effect is seen in news is related to option C, the proliferation of free trade agreements endangering WTO's position. Spaghetti effect is an interesting phenomenon in trade economics where increasing free trade agreements between different countries slows down trade relations between them. Okay, moving on to next question. Question number 47th. The depth of a sea can be determined by using sonar. सोनार का फुल फॉर्म होता है साउंड नेविगेशन एंड रेंजिंग. Statement 1. It uses ultrasonic waves for the measurement of the depth of a sea. This is correct. The speed of ultrasonic waves in seawater is same as that of sound in air. This is incorrect. Both air and water has different properties and thus ultrasonic waves have different speed in both of them. So 2 is incorrect and 1 is correct. So option B will be correct here. 3 must be correct. 48th land races recently in news is related to A. Naturally occurring variants of commonly cultivated crops. 48 का A हो गया. 49th, the gender parity index is an indicator of gender equality and is related to SDG 4. It is compiled by which of the following organization? It is compiled by UNESCO. And last question is, with reference to hing, consider the following statements. It is used as both as flavoring agent and traditional medicine. This is correct. India imports majority of its hing from Iran. India does import hing from Iran, but majority of imports come from Afghanistan. Okay, so 2 is incorrect and we reach at the correct option 1 and 3 only. So 50वें का C हो गया. If you are finding these videos helpful, then you may like this video. Today is very special day. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.